Okay, so what you want to do is unscrew all these 4 screws so you can get this hard drive bay out. The hard drive is going to be on the opposite side of the optical drive. So we can start here. And sometimes you may need to pull them out with something like another screwdriver. Sure that you put them in something where you can get them all back out, basically where they won't get lost. To get the drive out, take both these fingers here, find this lip, and what you want to do, and if you need to you can also use a screwdriver to get down in here, is just pull this back a little. The whole thing should slide right out, and that is going to be the drive that you're going to take out. Use the same screwdriver. What we're going to do is take all of the screws out of here, and there should only be 2 here. These are going to be slightly smaller than the others, so it should be okay to mix them and match them because you'll be able to find them pretty easy. And there's actually only 1 screw in this whole thing. So this is the drive. I'm going to set it aside.